currently?
Currently we have no covering on the earth whatsoever, so every time it rains, with our soil structure, which is expansive clay, all it does is it saturates like the first half inch, and after it saturates that, then it just runs off all the water and all the organic matter that was on top of the soil. And every time it rains hard, that's what it does. And so it never gets a chance to build up organic matter, which will cover the earth again and create an environment where microorganisms can flourish and change the composition and structure of the soil, where it can actually absorb some of the moisture from the rain. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a covering that the microorganisms are going to appreciate, where life can flourish. And what this will do in return is make the soil